Welcome to another Blackboard Series educational video, brought to you by MaxFi and Zenatech, proud innovators of the IntelliSuite product line. The purpose of this short video is to give you an in-depth, detailed look at the administration module of the IntelliTraxx solution. You can use this video if you wish to know more about the administration module and its functionality. Further details and in-depth views of the other modules can be found in separate videos. Right, let's get started. The IntelliTraxx administration module is where all of the internal system information must be entered for the solution to reach its full functionality. All elements of the application, from administrators and read-only users, to vehicles to drivers, as well as important application variables, must be set for certain aspects of the IntelliTraxx solution to work. From the administration module, you can create and modify users, create and modify the roles to be assigned to those users, create other internal companies or divisions or agencies in order to separate different company functions, create vehicle classes, create vehicles to assign those classes to, create or modify company drivers, and then assign those drivers to their vehicles. Finally, you have to modify application settings in order to get certain modules to do certain things. Let's now take a detailed look at the administration module. Right then, in order to get to the administration module, it's just like all of the others. You open up the navigation behind the IntelliTraxx logo, and you click Administration. Now, I'm not going to walk you through the entire process of adding users, roles, vehicle classes, and vehicles. That would just take way too long, and it's pretty self-explanatory once you get in there. We're going to hit the high functionality points, like this is the module for adding users, adding and editing users. You can add and edit roles that those users adhere to. And you can have companies. I'm going to pause here for just a second to answer a lot of questions we have about divisions and companies within companies. You can do that. Notice this is parent flag right there on your company. The best scenario right off the bat would be you have a county, which is your parent company. You can have a police company and an EMS company within there as well. You could call them agencies or divisions, but that way you can have users that only adhere to the EMS vehicles and their roles, and you can have a police car administrator who logs in and can only see their police cars. If you are a member of the county company, you can see all of them. So it's broken down into different divisions and agencies. You need to create classes and then assign those classes to a vehicle. This is the list of all the vehicles within the system. You can add and edit from here. If you are a company that has consistent drivers, these drivers probably take their vehicles home with them at night and start them in the morning or something like that. You can create your drivers and edit them here. You can even have these nice little pictures. It's a fun way to keep track of all your drivers and make it a little more personal. Then you can assign these drivers to a vehicle, just like we mentioned in the map module. Now, as soon as you do that, it is a manual process. You assign a driver to a vehicle, and every single driving behavior, whether it be policy or procedural, gets assigned to that driver, unless you change it. And finally, the app settings. The default map zoom rate is a good example. It's setting at 12, and if you remember the map video, it's kind of zoomed in on Albuquerque. You can zoom way into your block view. You can zoom way out to see the entire country. It's entirely up to you. A lot of the other application settings here, anything that has an X-CP on it is a Cradlepoint Net Cloud key. You need all four of those keys in order to get the router information that we showed you in the analytics module. So it's important to have those in there if you'd like to do that integration. And that pretty much wraps up the administration module. It's not the most sexiest, but it is probably the most important. All the information has to be in there and correct in order for the different modules to do their jobs correctly. Thank you. We encourage you to subscribe to this channel so you can be notified when we add the different functional module videos, so you can be better informed about the IntelliTraxx solution. Please contact any of the companies mentioned in this video, or simply email sales@maxfi.com if you have any questions or would like a demo of the solution. Thank you.